Spiritual change.
Black Star Legend.
The Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Spiritual change. The Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Spiritual change. The Grinders and the Hustlers 3.
The grinding and hustling forever is everything. Helping other people is really a miracle. Jesus Christ and God wants us to contribute. The grinders make the serious contribution. Grinders are art and a way of life. The grinders work every day and night. Helping other people is the vocation. The grinders help to build a spiritual nation. The spiritual ministry is a part of the destiny. Faith has become the most important thing. The grinders know how to make a difference. Their heart is full and their passion is joyful. Helping other people has become fulfilling. This is truly a spiritual feeling. The grinders work. There's no full stop. The marathon continues. Grinding and hustling. The grinders and the hustlers. Helping other people, giving back and making a difference. The grinders and the hustlers, helping other people, giving back and making a difference. Hustling is the most important thing in working for God and building the kingdom. The hustlers are on an eternal mission to change millions and billions lives. Helping other people is not a job, it's the hustler's life worth and spiritual fulfillment. The money that they earn goes to the kingdom. Jesus Christ and God always bless the hustlers. The hustlers has changed their life from doing street crime to working in ministry. God is the reason for the change. Their hearts are pure and they follow their intuition. Money is not the most important thing. It's doing God's work and helping other people. The hustlers are passionate for God's change. They are grinding and hustling forever. The grinders and the hustlers, helping other people, giving back and making a difference. The grinders and the hustlers, helping other people, giving back and making a difference.
Spiritual change. The Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Spiritual change. The Grinders and the Hustlers 3. Spiritual change. The Grinders and the Hustlers 3.
Black Star Legend.